Doing a transmission fluid change on this 2009 Honda Pilot. Over here from the engine right down there below. This is automatic transmission, ATF. 17 millimeter, just loosen that up, open it out, and then we'll go on the bottom and loosen up the bolt so that we can drain that transmission fluid. The long socket on there, extension. It was kind of hard to break it free, just so you know. Underneath the car, transmission. Got the wrench, broke it free. It was kind of had to get two hands on it, and I'm just gonna loosen that just slowly. I got my pan here and a dirty towel, so try to catch all the oil here out there. Try to drain it ever so slowly. I don't want to open it up. It's gonna burst out. And try to get a little bit of it out. Oh yeah, it's gonna pour out. So I'm just gonna keep. Might be okay here. There you go. Almost went out. I got lucky. All right. She's going. Supposed to be like metal particles because this magnet's supposed to. Oh yeah, it's like sand. Oh my gosh, it's like all sand right there, like liquid metal sand. I'll clean this up, let it drain, half an hour or whatever, and come back, tighten her up. Had to lower the vehicle just to give it a little bit of more drain. See, it's just a little bit dripping, so I think it's kind of leveled, so everything pretty much is out of there. This thing is full, so I'm gonna move this, reinstall this, and then give it a good tighten, hand tight, and then just a quarter more way, and then it should be really good, solid. Not too much. You don't want to break it. So after this, and then we'll go up top. There. Had to get a double funnel, a little small baby one and a bigger one. Move that. Just give me a little bit of space. I recommend getting those funnels with the tubes, the gooseneck tube, to get into there, because unless you want to move a bunch of stuff. So it says it takes 4 quarts of ATF DW1 automatic transmission, Honda Gen 1. Got this off of Amazon. 4 quarts. Put the link in the description. This I got it from Walmart, like $2. Big long funnel so that you can fill it up ever so slowly.